from time to time, I like to post in with a look at our essential rewards for the month, just to kind of show everyone how you can do some supplemental buying and really kind of cash in on the free exclusive rewards that Young Living offers when you hit certain PV a month. This month, we kind of took a look at our essential rewards, and we knew we had a few things we wanted to restock on, and we took a look at the exclusive rewards promotions to see if it would behoove us to kind of go ahead and spend a little bit more to get a little bit more. And this month, the exclusive rewards were awesome. We'll go over those towards the end. I want to show you what we got for our essential rewards. This month, we were restocking on our Ningxia Red. We usually use a 2-pack every month, but through this season, we knew we kind of wanted to go to every other month, so we went ahead and got a 4-pack this month. We wanted to try out the Copaiba Vanilla Shampoo and conditioner for one of our girls. She has kind of frizzy hair, and we thought that would be a good fit for her hair. She's got a little bit different texture. And then we are trying out the Sleek Kids toothpaste. And then we had some oils we wanted to get just to try out since they were the new Vitality line. Same oil, just a different labeling, and I wanted to be able to have that on hand for classes and such. So we've got 4 Vitality oils here. We've got peppermint, oregano. Actually, we've got 2 oreganos and then a rosemary. So we've got 4 Vitality oils. And then I love White Angelica to use as a perfume. It's very balancing for me, and I love it, love it, love it. I love it for, I like to use it before I go to sleep at night, too. I find it's very conducive for me for a good night's sleep. Kind of an outside-the-box use for White Angelica, but I love it. So that was our essential rewards this month. We also got a box of Master Formula. That is the one thing that I forgot to grab to show you guys. And as you can see, we already busted into the Ningxia Red. So we also got a box of the Master Formula because we do love those vitamins. And we found that dollar for dollar, that is the best way to get a prebiotic, vitamins that are based on food and essential oils added into that. So that was our essential rewards for the month. Now, exclusive rewards was really, really awesome this month. For 190 PV, we got a 5 ml of Panaway and a 15 ml of orange. Now, since we did this on our essential rewards, we also got the bonus oil of Stress Away. So if you're on essential rewards and you hit that 190 PV, you'll get the bottle of Stress Away too, and it's the 15 ml, so this will last a really, really long time. At the 250 PV mark is Digest and Cleanse. This is a great, basically supports the digestive system and all the good stuff that you need to support in that system. So that was at the 250 mark. At 300, Young Living did something pretty amazing. They added in a kids collection. So the kids collection are some of the new oils that came out maybe 2 years ago. They're blends especially for kids, and it was a 3-pack. It was the Owie, so good for any bumps and bruises and ouchies that kids come across day to day, specially formulated to be good for them. And then Tummy Jize, which is great for any kind of digestive support a little one would need. And then we also got Genius. Genius is great for supporting just cognitive function and focus and basically recall when you're working with your kids. Would be a really, really great one this time of year for all the tests that are coming up with school and everything. So these are the exclusive rewards that you get for free when you hit certain PV in your order, whether it be a quick order or your essential rewards order every month. And I like to show people these from time to time because it is really amazing. We did spend $300 PV on our essential rewards this month, but we got $253 actually back in product that we had wanted to try out because we definitely had wanted to try the kids line, and we can always use a lot of orange and Stress Away in our house, and Panaway for that matter, after a good workout. And the Digest and Cleanse was one that we've only gotten to try once before, and we did enjoy it, so we were excited to see that it was an offer this month. That is the basics of our essential rewards and the exclusive rewards that Young Living is offering this month. So any order placed in April that hits those PV marks will get those free things. I also wanted to go over just real fast. Young Living is kind of having an unprecedented month. They are offering a reactivation kind of bonus for people whose accounts have gone inactive, but they want to re-sign up. So if your account has gone inactive, which means you haven't made a purchase in a year of at least 50 PV, you can make a qualifying purchase with, I believe, was 100 PV in the month of April, and they will add in a bottle of frankincense for you as kind of a bonus for re-signing up. So that's really, really exciting. I've been with Young Living for almost 4 years now, and I've never seen them offer a reactivation bonus. So definitely take advantage of that if you're needing to do that. We are really, really excited this month. Our From His Abundance team is offering a little Essential Rewards enrollment incentive. So if you're looking to sign up for Essential Rewards, check that out on our Facebook page. It's a cool little offer of a little car diffuser or a USB diffuser. So really awesome value. And if you were going to sign up for Essential Rewards anyway, it's a bonus for you. That's the main things that are going on in our team this month. We also have an event. If you're in Wichita, Kansas, they're having an Ignite event, and get with me if you need any information on that. And that's about all. Oh, we are having a online Facebook introduction on the 21st as well in the evening, and that will be available to view for for a few days after that as well. So if you haven't been able to get to an introduction, that might be a good way to get to one from the comfort of your own home. I hope you have a good day and have liked this little peek into our Essential Rewards order. Have a good day. Bye.